Storm's Tech Channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Google Pixel 6a for Verizon Prepaid. So the Pixel 6a is now at Verizon Prepaid for $499.99, so it's $500 on Verizon Prepaid. I know it's $50 more than the retail price of the Pixel 6a, but that's Verizon for you, so it's $500 at Verizon. So to keep that in mind, Visible also has this phone for $49.99. So if you guys want it $50 cheaper, go to Visible and get it for $450. Alright. So the Pixel 6a is available in 3 colors: Sage, Chalk, and Charcoal. And 128 gigabytes of storage is your only storage option for the Pixel 6a. So I will show you guys all the colors here. So this is the Sage color that you guys can see there, front and back. Y'all guys have your hole punch there. Power and volume keys on the right side of the phone there. You guys do have an in-display fingerprint sensor as well. There's the front. Right side, power button, volume keys. Back of the Pixel 6a is your dual camera setup along with your camera first Google logo, and has like a two-toned color back to it there. So this is this main color here, and you guys got a secondary color above. That's like a whitish grayish color down on top. Left side has your has your SIM card slot on the left side, which is like right here where my mouse is. So that's where your SIM card is. There is no SD card because this is a Pixel. There's the left side, right side, back. There's backward again, front and back. I believe this is the beginning again. And I'll show you guys the Chalk real quick here. So the Chalk is like a white gray color here. So it's front and back, front, left side, back. So this is the Chalk version. It's like a white color. Then you got like a gray color there on top of that. Right side. Right side again, left, back, front and back again, and then the charcoal color is like a black and gray color there. So that's what the charcoal color looks like there, front and back. Personally, the charcoal color is my favorite because, you know, it's a dark colored phone there. So this is my personal opinion. Yeah, front and back, front, right side, back. So the back of the phone has the like a dark gray color, and then you guys have like a lighter gray color above the camera there. There's the left side, right side, back, and that's front and back again. So now I'll show you guys all 3 colors. We can get on with this video. So it's $499.99 at Verizon, but that's Verizon for you. Okay, that's pretty interesting there. So it has 9.25 days of standby time, 28.9 hours of usage time, 12.2 megapixel dual pixel wide camera, then a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera in the back, 2.8 inches width, 6 inches height. Alright, so it says here, smart, powerful, helpful, and less than you think. Meet the Google Pixel 6a, the more affordable, super fast, and secure Google phone. It's powered by Google Tensor for fast performance, and within an adaptive battery that can last over 24 hours. Top rated security and water resistance is designed around you and your busy lifestyle inside and out. Alright, so the first thing we're talking about here is its processor, which is a Google Tensor processor, which was in the Google Pixel 6 and 6 Pro from last year, and now it's in the Pixel 6a. Says here, Google Tensor, the brains behind Pixel 6a. Apps launch fast, pages and images load quickly, and everything runs smoothly because of the Pixel 6a is powered by Google Tensor, the same custom built chip as Pixel 6 Pro. Alright. All day power. I wish they'd make this phone bigger because I can barely see it because I have not great. I don't have like the greatest vision, but I can see the text a little bit, but it's kind of hard to see. I wish they'd make the text a bit bigger for us blind folks, you know what I mean? It says here, Pixel's adaptive battery can last all day, so you don't have to worry about slowing down to charge. It learns your favorite apps, saves power on those you rarely use, and can last over 24 hours. You can also extend your battery life. You can also extend your battery up to 72 hours total with extreme battery saver. You can choose which apps to run, and Pixel can turn the others off, plus get hours of power in just a few minutes with fast wired charging. Alright. Take truly great shots with intelligent photography. Rule 10. Represent all skin tones beautifully and authentically. Face on blur makes faces look sharper. Capture the moments that matter, and even take stunning portraits in low light with night sight. What's more, Magic Eraser makes distractions disappear just like that. I wonder if they can get in trouble for using Magic Eraser, because that's a cleaning because that's a cleaning product. That's a Magic Eraser. That's a Mr. Cleaning product there. I wonder if Google could get sued for that or copyright for that. Interesting to say the least. But yeah. Protection and privacy simplified. Take your phone almost anywhere with IP67 protection. Pixel 6a can take a little water and dust, and the built-in safety and security of the Titan M2 chip and Google Tensor security gives Pixel an extra layer of hardware security, so it's more resilient to attacks. And with fingerprint unlock, you can unlock your phone securely and reliably with just a touch. Alright. Android experience built for you. Customize your Pixel interface with Material U. The colors across Pixel even complement the wallpaper image you choose, meaning you can get creative with it. Get useful info with at a glance, like recent playlists when you connect your headphones, or a boarding pass before your flight. With live translate languages in real time. You can chat in languages, interpret face-to-face conversations, and translate signs with the camera. And your Pixel will keep getting better with feature drops, automatic software updates with new features, tricks, and apps. Right? Switching is simple. It only takes a few steps to move your favorites from your old phone and get going on Pixel 6a. Just use the quick switch adapter to transfer messages, contacts, and photos to your new device. Alright. The specs on the Pixel 6a are pretty good. So this is a budget Pixel, so they keep it in mind. So you guys have 3 colors: charcoal, chalk, and sage color options. Bluetooth 5.2, Google Tensor processor, along with the Titan M2 co-processor chip there. Google Assistant, obviously, because it's Android and it's Google. Hearing aid compatibilities. Standby time 9.25 days. Usage time 28.9 hours. USB-C charging. Depth 0.35 inches. Hotspot. Ten devices on 4G and 5G. 12.2 megapixel dual pixel wide camera, 12 megapixel ultra wide camera in the back. 6 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM, 128 gigabytes of UFS 3.1 storage. It's a full device which will work over 200 countries depending on what plan you guys have. Fast charging, global and roaming network there. Wi-Fi 8. It has Wi-Fi 8 to 11 ABG and AC, Wi-Fi 6E, and all that. 5G ultra wideband, 4G, 5G nationwide security. It has fingerprint. Unlock with under display fingerprint sensor, pattern, pin, password, obviously. Android 12. Rear camera, 4K video recording at 30 and 60 frames. 1080p video recording at 30, 60 frames. Front camera, 1080p recording at 30 frames. 8 megapixel front facing camera, 4410mm battery. Full HD plus 1080 by 2400. OLED display, 429 ppi. The screen is a 6.1 inch display there. 20 by 9 aspect ratio, 60 hertz refresh rate, which is disappointing. I wish it was at least 90 hertz, at least 90. 6.1 inch display, like I said. Has Corning Gorilla Glass 3 cover glass. That's on the back. Then you have 3D, thermometrical composite back with tactile alloy frame, fingerprint resistive coating. So you have a Corning Gorilla Glass 3 on the front of the phone, so they keep it in mind. Weight of the Pixel 6a, 6.3 ounces with 2.8 ounces, 6 inches height for the Pixel 6a, and the depth is 0.35 inches, I think. If you guys need help with your Pixel 6a, Verizon has you covered with that here. So it says Verizon wireless support helps you better understand your Verizon mobile device and other Verizon services. Alright. What comes in the box is a Google Pixel 6a smartphone, USB-C to USB-C cable, quick start guide, quick switch adapter, and SIM tool, and that is it. There is no charging brick in the box, so if you guys don't have a Type-C charging brick, you guys will have to go buy one. There you guys have it. The Google Pixel 6a is now here at Verizon Prepaid for $500. I know $500 is a bit more than a retail price, but that's Verizon for you. So you will pay a bit more to use Verizon's network. So that's why it's $500 on Verizon instead of $450 like it is on everywhere else, like Visible and stuff like that. If you guys want to get this phone $50 cheaper, go to Visible Wireless and get the Pixel 6a for $449 at Visible Wireless. If you guys want it $50 cheaper. So yeah, the Pixel 6a is a very nice looking phone. Pretty good specs for what it is, a budget Pixel. You do get an in-display fingerprint sensor, which hopefully that the fingerprint sensor on this one does not have issues like it did on the Pixel 6 and 6 Pro from last year. But I guess we'll just have to wait and see about that. But overall, dude, the Pixel 6a is a very nice looking phone, and the charcoal color is my favorite. So yeah, there you guys have it. Pixel 6a now available at Verizon Prepaid. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.